Hey y'all, welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Hope you guys like that intro. But anyways, this is my client. This is actually my sister-in-law. She's had dreads for like 4 years, and we recently cut them off 2 months ago due to postpartum shedding. So now we're just going to style it, treat it. You can also wear it to church. I mean, we're on quarantine now, but you get it. This hairstyle is just very basic, and hope you guys like it. I am spraying her hair. Right here I'm using the Cream of Nature conditioner. In my other video, I mentioned that I do use conditioner first to detangle the client's hair, and then I follow along with using the shampoo. I find that to be quite easier for me, less tangles when I go into blow dry later. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the final look. So now I'm just rinsing the conditioner out, and then I'm going to shampoo her hair 2 times. As you can see here, my sister-in-law is extremely tender-headed, so I had to section off hair, detangle it, and then put them in twists, just so that I can, look at her, she's so extra. Look. Anyways, just so that I can detangle it, and so the process could be a lot smoother for her. Although she's still, you know, I'm going gentle as possible, y'all. Trust me, I'm not hurting her. She's just extremely tender-headed. So, yeah. right here I'm just showing you guys how I add the hair into the client's natural hair. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm going to demonstrate as best as I can. Here I'm just gathering up their hair, going towards the front, and then I'll be creating like a little pompadour. So now I'm sticking down her edges to complete the final look. I'm using this fat behind brush. Don't know where my edge brush is, but that's okay. So stay tuned for the final look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, have a blessed day.